Welcome to c49HockeyBreaks box break number 148, and today we got a box of 1920 Upper Deck Series 2. We got box number 707. Before we dive into that, let's take a look at a few boxes opened in store. Starting with my mom's box, which was a pretty good box. Nice Capo Caco Young Guns. A red marquee rookie. I believe these are supposed to be one a case. Jack Hughes. Very nice pull there. And a beautiful rookie materials jersey card of Cale Makar. Moving on to the couple boxes that I did in store. Had a Kirby Doc Young Guns and a Nick Suzuki Young Guns. The two best Young Guns in my opinion. From what I opened, Young Guns checklist of Jack and Quinn Hughes. Young Guns canvas of Rasmus Sandin. Clear cut base Alex Ovechkin, cool pull as a Caps fan. Signature sensations, Peter Mrazek. And if you follow me on Instagram, c49HockeyBreaks, you'll have seen this card yesterday. 121 of 150 fluorescence, Cale Makar. So, did see a couple Cale Makar cards, but not his Young Guns, unfortunately, so let's hope it's in this box here. But first, let's dive into 1920 Overtime Wave 2. We have a blue Kyle Palmieri. Oliver Wahlstrom next in line. But let's finally get into what we all come for. 1920 Series 2. Alright, first pack. We have a UD Portraits Rookie Gold, number 35 of 99. Kirby Doc. Very nice start to Series 2. Marquee rookie Emil Bemstrom. Third pack. Young Guns, Barrett Hayden. UD Canvas, Andrei Svechnikov. Marquee rookie, Joel Farabee. Final pack from the top left. UD Portraits rookie, Martin Feravari. Go to the top right. Young Guns, Giovanni Smith. Blue, OPG, Sergei Bobrovsky. OPG, PK Subban. UD Canvas, Noah Hannafin. Young Guns, Rhett Gardner. Final pack from the top right. UD Rookie Portraits, Nick Suzuki. Marquee rookie, Dominic Kubalik. Marquee rookie, Morgan Frost. Young Guns, Guillaume Brizois. Young Guns Canvas, Sam Lafferty. Marquee rookie, Ilya Mikheyev. UD Rookie Portraits, Gaetan Haas. On to the final stack. Young Guns, Otto Koivula. Marquee rookie, Adam Fox. UD Canvas, Matt Duchene. Rookie Portraits, Ville Hanola. Two packs to go. Young Guns, Alexei Sorola. Final pack. We have a clear-cut Young Guns. E2 Luistrainen. Hopefully pronouncing that name right, but I doubt it. Well, folks, that is going to do it for this break. We'll do a quick recap. Not going to flip through all the inserts, but let's go through the better ones. UD Portraits Rookie Gold 35 of 99, Kirby Dach. Young Guns, Barrett Hayden. Young Guns, Giovanni Smith. Young Guns, Rhett Gardner. Young Guns, Guillaume Brisebois. Young Guns, Otto Koivula. Young Guns, Alexei Sorola. Young Guns, Canvas Sam Lafferty. And we had the Young Guns, Clear Cut, E2 Luistrainen. Definitely the hit of the box. But that is going to do it for this box filled with guys whose names are very hard to pronounce. If you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so, and don't miss future box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads. And I'm actually going to be uploading the next box break, which is break number 149, on Sunday, as a Sunday special upload, as break number 149 is kind of a number, being c49HockeyBreaks. So figured break number 149 would be suitable for a Sunday upload. So stay tuned Sunday for break number 149.